Streamlit versus Dash. Which Python framework is better? Choosing the right Python framework can transform how you build data apps without complex setup. Streamlit offers simplicity, while Dash provides customization and control. Streamlit and Dash are popular Python frameworks for creating interactive web apps. The core difference lies in ease of use versus flexibility. Streamlit focuses on fast, simple app development, while Dash offers more detailed customization through its component-based structure. Streamlit is an open-source Python framework designed for quick and easy creation of data apps. It works by allowing developers to write Python scripts that automatically generate interactive web interfaces without needing HTML or JavaScript knowledge. Streamlit's strength lies in its minimal setup and intuitive API, which lets users build and deploy apps rapidly. It supports live code updates, making iterations seamless. However, Streamlit has limitations in terms of advanced layout control and complex interactivity compared to more customizable frameworks. It is ideal for data scientists and analysts who want to prototype or share insights quickly without deep front-end expertise. Streamlit integrates well with popular Python libraries, making it a go-to choice for straightforward, visually appealing data presentations. Dash is a Python framework built on top of Flask, React, and Plotly, designed for building highly customizable analytical web applications. It works by combining Python backend code with React-based front-end components, giving developers granular control over app layout and interactivity. Dash excels in creating complex dashboards with advanced callbacks and dynamic content updates. Its strengths include flexibility in design and the ability to integrate with various data visualization libraries. However, Dash requires more setup and programming knowledge, especially in understanding its callback system and component hierarchy. This makes it better suited for developers or teams comfortable with web technologies who need scalable production-grade apps. Dash is widely used in industries where detailed data visualization and user interaction are critical, offering robust performance and customization. Streamlit and Dash serve different needs in Python app development. Streamlit is perfect for rapid prototyping and simple apps, where speed and ease of use matter most. For example, a data scientist quickly sharing model results with minimal coding will benefit from Streamlit's straightforward approach. Dash, on the other hand, shines in complex production-level dashboards requiring detailed user interaction and custom layouts. A business intelligence team building a multi-page app with intricate callbacks will find Dash more suitable. The trade-off is between Streamlit's simplicity and Dash's flexibility. Streamlit limits advanced customization but cuts development time, while Dash demands more effort but offers full control over app behavior and appearance. Choose Streamlit if you prioritize quick development and easy deployment for data apps without needing extensive customization or front-end skills. Opt for Dash when you require detailed control over your app's design and interactivity, especially for complex, scalable dashboards. Both frameworks are powerful, so align your choice with your project needs and technical expertise to maximize impact.